Hello, greetings mga ka-spacers natin out there from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And sa lahat ng ating mga ka-spacers worldwide and netwide, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. This is your ka-spacer and space commander, Professor Jun Cajigal, welcoming you to another online telescope viewing. And this time mga ka-spacers, my telescope is pointed at our waxing gibbous moon. And take note, the moon is now 99% illuminated mga ka-spacers. No? Talagang almost full moon na. And today is Feb 15, 2022. No, bagay na bagay po, talagang feel na feel pa rin po natin yung love. Love is still in the air, no, kahit na nasa waxing gibbous phase pa rin tayo. Talagang the day after Valentine's Day, halos full moon po, no? 99% illuminated yung buwan. No, bagay na bagay sa mga magjowa ngayon. And today is clear skies, no? Walang kaulap-ulap ngayong gabi, no? Feb 15, 2022. And sa lahat ng ating mga ka-spacers natin dyan, belated happy Valentine's Day sa inyong lahat, and sana po kayo ay nag-enjoy with your Valentine's Day with your loved ones, with your friends, and sa inyong mga special someone. Ayan, so sana nag-enjoy po kayo. Happy belated happy Valentine's Day sa mga ka-spacers natin out there. And almost full moon na po tayo, na in a few hours magiging full moon na rin yan. The moon is still 99% illuminated. No, hindi pa siya full circle. No? Konti na lang, konting-konti na lang po. Alright, and kasi pag sinabi nating full moon, mga ka-spacers, a full moon occurs when the moon appears as a complete circle in the sky, no? A full moon occurs when the moon appears as a complete circle, talagang bilog na bilog. No? We see it as a full orb. No? Talagang bilog na bilog ang full moon. No? Full orb, complete circle siya. No? Because the whole side of the moon facing the earth is lit up by the sun's rays. No? And tandaan po natin mga ka-spacers that the moon produces no light of its own. So we can only see the parts of the moon that are lit up by other objects. Alright, so ayan po yung ating buwan po, no? Some facts about the moon, full moon. Kaya lang po, hindi pa talaga fully illuminated yung buwan. No? The moon is still 99% illuminated. Pero bagay na bagay talaga sa mga magjowa talaga ngayon, no? The day after Valentine's Day, no? Talagang parang pag tumingin kayo sa taas, bilog na po yung buwan. Alright, and at alam niyo po mga ka-spacers na ang full moon kasi traditionally maraming maraming mga traditional facts about the moon, like pag bilog ang buwan, no, mga ka-spacers, we usually associate that with insomnia. No, kasi may mga tao na pag full moon hindi ako makatulog kasi bilog ang buwan, no? We associate that with insomnia, or sometimes bilog yung buwan na medyo nakaka-insane. No? Insanity is associated with full moon. Kaya doon natin nakuha yung term na lunatic and lunacy. Alright, so ito na po yung ating magnified image of our 99% illuminated moon. No, almost full moon na po tayo, pero 99% illuminated pa ito. Feb 15, 2022. Alright, so ito, my telescope is pointed at those dark patches called lunar plains. No? Mga Marias yan, Mares. The word mare is, or Maria is the Latin for seas, no? Dagat. Kasi early sailors and early astronomers, they thought that those dark patches are bodies of water. Kala nila mga dagat yan, no? Kaya they gave it the name Maria, Mare, which is the Latin for seas. Pero alam natin mga ka-spacers na those dark patches are solidified pools of ancient basaltic lava. And my telescope na mga ka-spacers is pointing at the Copernicus crater. Ayan po. Kaya lang medyo talagang maliwanag yung ano niya, no? Yung loob. No? It reflects light. Kaya hindi masyadong spectacular. Pero yung Copernicus crater, kitang-kita yung rays. Alright, and my telescope now is pointing at the southern lunar highlands. Ayan yung mga bright areas na yan. Are lunar highlands and impact craters. And ayan po, my telescope is pointing at the Tycho crater naman po yan mga ka-spacers, which is a prominent lunar impact crater located in the southern lunar highlands, named after the Danish astronomer Tycho Brahe. Ayan po, no, napakaganda nung rays. So yung rays po, yun yung patterns of white lines along the rim, radiating along the rim of the Tycho crater. Ayan po, no? The Tycho crater po mga ka-spacers, that's one of the most prominent craters on the moon. Okay, it appears as a bright spot in the southern lunar highlands with rays, nababanggit ko yung kanina yung rays, with rays of bright material that stretches across much of the near side. Alright, so, and the Tycho crater, no, mga ka-spacers, is 85 kilometers in diameter. No, malaki din yan. Alright, so ayan po yung Tycho crater. And my telescope again is moving at the northern part of the moon. Ayan po, so nasa gitna ulit yung Copernicus crater, which is 93 kilometers in diameter. And talagang very prominent po yung rays ng Copernicus crater. Right? Pag sinabi nating rays mga ka-spacers, those are materials ejected during the impact event, no, when the crater was created by lunar impactors like yung mga asteroids, mga comets, okay, and meteorites. Alright, so yan, imagine na kayo po ay nakasakay sa Apollo spacecraft, no? Lalo na itong magnified image, para po tayong nakasakay sa Apollo spacecraft. So para po tayong nasa orbit, we are in orbit around the moon. So ganyan po lagi yung aking ini-imagine every time I magnify the image of the moon. Alright, so ayan po ulit yung Tycho crater, no? Ginigitna ko ulit yung Tycho crater. What really makes the Tycho crater stand out again, it's the rays, yung mga beautiful rays that radiate along the rim. And again po, sinabi ko po kanina that those rays are materials ejected during the impact event when the Tycho crater was formed, no? And talagang very visible as bright streak yung mga rays na yan sa Tycho, and dito din po sa Copernicus crater. Alright, so ayan po yan, ating magnified image of our almost full moon mga ka-spacers. Okay? Pero wag po kayong madisin dyan sa shape ng moon, no? Parang bilog na bagay sa mga magjowa ngayong Feb 15. But the moon is still 99% illuminated, no? Nasa waxing gibbous phase po pa rin, hindi pa siya complete circle, no? Alright, kasi ang full moon po, yan if the moon appears as a complete circle in the night sky. Alright, a full moon occurs mga ka-spacers when the moon appears as a complete circle in the sky. Okay, so ayan po yung ating waxing gibbous moon at 99% illumination po. So almost full moon tayo. Alright, and kung meron po kayong mga questions or reactions or comments, just feel free to type in your comments, your reactions in our comment section below. And kung meron kayong gustong pabati ng belated Happy Valentine's Day sa inyong special someone or sa mga kamag-anak ninyo, just type in the name of your jowa, of your loved one dito po sa ating comment section. Shout out ninyo. And don't forget po to include your address, your location, not the address, the location, para at least alam natin kung hanggang saan nakakaabot yung ating live stream. Okay, so ayan po yung ating almost full moon, waxing gibbous moon at 99% illumination. Alright po, so siguro bago natin ulit i-magnify yung ating buwan, yung image ng moon, para dun sa mga hindi nakita kanina na kabubukas ng kanilang mga laptops and cellphones, gusto ko lang pong i-promote again yung National Astronomy Week, which is next week na po, no? Feb 20. Bakit ako napupunta sa September? Feb 20 to 26. Ayan po yung ating National Astronomy Week, Feb 20 to 26, spearheaded by Pag-asa. Okay, and the Bedan Society of Young Astronomers, headed by Miss Angeline Kilang, had prepared several activities in line with the celebration of National Astronomy Week. So on Feb 23, mga ka-spacers, Feb 23, we will be having a webinar about the James Webb Telescope. Ayan, and this webinar is for free. Libre po ito, ha? Libre. Walang bayad. So I would like to invite all of the ka-spacers natin out there to attend. No? We invite you to attend that webinar about the James Webb Telescope. Alright, so mga hapon yan, mga 1:30 ng hapon of Feb 23. Feb 23 is a Wednesday. Ayan, so kung libre po kayo, just register. No? Wala namang bayad to. Just visit our Facebook page, the Bedan Society of Young Astronomers, for the registration link para mabigay po namin yung Zoom link, and the event will be live streamed on Facebook. Okay, then on Feb 25, meron po kaming special online telescope viewing, which we will call as Takip Silim. Alright, so we will be featuring the different lunar phases for the month of February dito sa ating online telescope viewing, Takip Silim, on Feb 25. We will start at around 7 p.m. 7 a.m. umaga yun. Alright, so 7 p.m. po ng gabi. Okay, and on Feb 26, that's a Saturday, we will be having a special event, the Battle of the Bands, called Rock the Stars. Yan po. Ang Rock the Stars po may twist ng astronomy, kaya lagi naming ini-include yan sa aming celebration ng NAW 2022. Alright, so antabayanan nyo po yan, no? You will enjoy good music and at the same time learn about astronomy. Yan. Okay, so yan po yung aming Rock the Stars 2022. Okay, so ito po ulit yung ating magnified image of the almost full moon, no? Waxing gibbous at 99% illumination. So our moon tonight is 99% illuminated. Ayan po. So again, nakikita niyo po yung mga dark patches na yan. No? Those dark patches are Marias or Mares or lunar planes. Alright, so ayan po yun. So those dark, relatively featureless lunar planes, which can clearly be seen with the naked eye, ang tawag dyan po ay Marias or seas. Alright, the word Maria is the Latin for seas because early sailors and early astronomers, they believed that those dark patches are filled with water. No? Kala nila dagat, so they gave it the name Maria or Mare. But we all know, mga ka-spacers, that those dark patches are actually solidified pools of ancient basaltic lava, no? When the moon was still volcanic. Alright, and those bright areas, yung mga bright areas are actually lunar highlands and impact craters. And ayan po, ginigitna po yung Copernicus crater. Yan, nadaanan po natin yung Copernicus crater. And my telescope now is pointing at the southern lunar highlands. And pinopoint natin yung telescope sa Tycho crater. Ayan po, kitang-kita yung Tycho crater. Napakaganda po ng Tycho crater pag full moon. Sa ganito, sa almost full moon. Alright, the Tycho crater is a prominent lunar impact crater located in the southern lunar highlands, named after the Danish astronomer Nicholas Copernicus. The Tycho crater, mga ka-spacers, is one of the most prominent craters on the moon. And it appears as a bright spot in the southern lunar highlands. And kitang-kita po yung rays niya, yung ray system niya, no? Yung mga patterns of white lines yun along the rim. Alright. And the Tycho crater, mga ka-spacers, is 85 kilometers in diameter. And itong Tycho crater, ang maganda yung ray system niya. No? What makes the Tycho crater stand out is its magnificent and beautiful rays. So yung mga rays na yan, those are the materials ejected during the impact event when the Tycho crater was formed. Alright, so ayan, our telescope now is moving at the northern part of the moon. Ayan po. So ito po yung parang bilog na puti. Yan po yung Copernicus crater naman po. Kaya lang napakaliwanag yung loob, no? So hindi na masyado siyang spectacular. Hindi kagaya pag yung moon is 60% illuminated or 70% illuminated. Pero kita po yung ray system ng Copernicus crater. Alright, and talagang imagine niyo po, mga ka-spacers, na kayo po ay nakasakay sa Apollo spacecraft. No, ganyan po yung style ko lagi pag nag-online telescope viewing ako. No, minamagnify ko yung buwan, tapos ginagalaw ko siya kunyari para tayong nasa orbit around the moon. No? At kasi talaga, no, lagi ko itong kwento nung bata ako, talagang gusto ko maging astronaut. Alright, gusto ko maging Apollo astronaut noon. Kaya lang wala, hindi pwede. hindi natupad yung pangarap. So itong telescope natin ay it's the nearest to a spaceship, no? So ang telescope ay hindi lang pang-magnify ng object. Para sa akin po, no, personally, ang telescope ay isang spaceship. Okay, that will enable me na tignan yung buwan na parang nakasakay ako sa Apollo spacecraft and orbiting the moon. Alright, and paborito ko talaga ang buwan na tignan kasi para ka na rin nagpunta dyan no? Para ka nagpunta ng outer space sa pamamagitan ng telescope. And by the way, mga ka-spacers, no, ito po yung telescope na ginamit ko. Itong nasa taas ng aking camera, which is an 80mm refracting telescope, Vixen Custom with a 15mm Plossil eyepiece. Alright, so ayan po yung ating magnified image of the almost full moon. Right, waxing gibbous po tayo at 99% illumination yung buwan. Alright, and today is Feb 15 na bagay kahit na lampas na yung Valentine's Day, kahapon yun. Parang bilog na bilog talaga ang buwan. No? Bagay na bagay sa mga magjowa. No? Punta kayo sa ilalim ng buwan yan at magkape. Magkape kayo sa ilalim ng buwan. Alright. So mga ka-spacers, if you have any comments or reactions or even questions about our featured astronomical object tonight, itong ating waxing gibbous moon at 99% illumination, just type in your comments, your reactions or questions in our comment section below. Ayan po. And again po, mga ka-spacers, no, ang traditionally kasi ang buwan akala nila no may influence yan sa buhay natin, pero hindi totoo yan. Alright? So traditionally, the full moon, almost kahit na dito almost full moon, ay associated yan with insomnia. No? Pag medyo bilog yung buwan, parang hindi tayo makatulog. Totoo ba yun? Alright? Or Itong almost full moon or full moon is associated with insanity. Kaya doon natin nakuha yung term na lunatic or lunacy. Alright? Pero psychologists, however, have found that there is no strong evidence for effects on human behavior around the time of a full moon. Kahit ganito po, kahit almost full moon po, wala pong strong evidence for effects on human behavior. Ano lang yan? Chismis. Okay. Alright, mga ka-spacers. So, ayan po yung ating online telescope viewing ngayong araw na ito, Feb 15. And again po mga ka-spacers, we would like to invite everybody, kayong mga ka-spacers out there sa aming celebration of the National Astronomy Week 2022. Next week na po yan, ang National Astronomy Week. So Feb 20 to 26. And ang BSYA po ay naghanda ng mga activities in the celebration of National Astronomy Week. So again, on Feb 23, mayroon kaming webinar sa hapon, mga 1:30 about the James Webb Telescope. Libre po yan. So visit our Facebook page for the registration link. So everybody's invited mga ka-spacers. Kayo po. Alright? So samahan niyo po kami in that webinar about the James Webb Telescope. And on Feb 25, meron kaming special online telescope viewing called Takip Silim. At antabayanan nyo po yan kasi magbibigay po kami ng konting papremyo sa mga magpa-participate sa aming Takip Silim online telescope viewing. And on Feb 26, yung last day ng National Astronomy Week, we will be having a Battle of the Bands called Rock the Stars with a twist of astronomy po yan. So you will be enjoying good music and at the same time learn about astronomy. Alright po mga ka-spacers, so please join us in the celebration of the National Astronomy Week. Next week na po yan. Alright, so shout out sa lahat ng mga ka-spacers out there na nakatutok po ngayon. Thank you po at sinamahan niyo po ako ngayong gabi. Shout out sa officers and crew of the Bedan Society of Young Astronomers, sa mga kasama ko from the Manila City Astronomers and yung mga kaibigan ko from the Philippine Astronomical Society. And shout out sa mga astronomy enthusiasts na nakatutok po ngayon. Alright, and sa mga kabubukas lang ng kanilang mga laptops and cellphones, we are viewing the waxing gibbous moon. Hindi pa siya talaga full moon, pero mga ilang oras na lang po magpo-full moon na yan. The moon is still 99% illuminated. Okay, so siguro hanggang dito na lang po muna tayo. And sana makapag-online telescope viewing ako later or bukas para sa full moon. Talagang full moon, legit na full moon yan. Talagang the moon will appear as a complete circle a few hours from now. Okay, so we are still Feb 15, we are still in the waxing gibbous moon at 99% illumination. Pero parang full moon na rin, what do you think ng mga ka-spacers? Bagay na bagay, nasa ano pa tayo? Nasa love no atmosphere. Love is still in the air. Kahit na Feb 15. Ayan, so sa mga magjowa dyan, punta na kayo sa ilalim ng buwan at magkape. Alright, so and we are bringing the telescope to you, Huwag muna kayong lumabas para safe po tayo sa COVID. And tingnan nyo na lang po ito, habang nagkakape kayo. Kunyari nasa ilalim na kayo ng buwan, nakatingin sa inyong laptop at pinapanood nyo yung itong waxing gibbous moon. Alright, so marami pong salamat and this is your ka-spacer and space commander Sir Jun Cajigal saying live long and prosper. And always remember mga ka-spacers to always keep your space. Alright, and stay safe, hindi pa ho tapos ang pandemya. Alright, so marami pong salamat and see you in our next online telescope viewing. Bye-bye!